Hi there, this is Seemarjit Kaur, an educator with Unacademy. First of all, thank you very much for taking out time from your precious schedule to watch my video. I'm very sure that you all might have heard about Unacademy one or the other time through different sources, because children, this wonderful platform have been consistent in helping out many students in achieving their goal. So till now, Unacademy was there with hundreds and thousands and lakhs of students to help them achieve their goal. And now there is really something exciting for Maharashtra State Board students. Yes, you all have heard it correct, children. Unacademy has come up with courses for Maharashtra State Board students, those who are preparing for exams, that is from grade 9 to grade 12. So children, Unacademy is not only lending a helping hand on their app, but yes, we are also there on YouTube with you all now. So children, Unacademy has come up with a YouTube channel named Unacademy Maharashtra Board. So this channel is for all the students, those who are there in Maharashtra Board, and you all are preparing for exams from grade 9 to 12. So children, in this particular channel, you will come across many lectures by the best educators of Maharashtra, where they will be helping you out to give the better insight of many interesting topics which you will need to know. So when it comes to this particular channel, children, the educators are going to be live with you. Yes, you heard it correct, children. You are going to be on a live session with the educators where you all can ask your queries then and there. So you don't have to wait for your queries to get addressed anymore, and you can get your answers then and there. So the only thing that you have to do is go ahead and hit a subscribe button over here, so that whenever there is any session, any live session scheduled for you all get the notification and you won't miss this golden opportunity. So who am I? So let's know more about myself. Children, I am Seemarjit Kaur and I'm a biology educator with Unacademy. So I'm going to be there with you all throughout the sessions, helping my best hand for biology. And more about me, I am a educator who has completed her master's in biotechnology from Mumbai University, and post that I have also completed my graduation in education. And then I have 6 years of teaching experience with wonderful students like you, and I'm looking forward to have the best experience of my life further with you all. So let's see what Unacademy has for grade 11 students first. So children, Unacademy in with their courses is going to help grade 11 student complete the entire portion of all the science subjects. Of course, I'm going to talk about biology as a biology educator, but children, Unacademy is going to make sure that your math, physics, chemistry and biology portion is completed on time, and that too of course with the thorough insight about all the topics. So children, in my sessions I'm going to complete all the topic right from chapter 1, the living world, till the last chapter. And what I have for you all in July. So children, in July I'm going to start with these three interesting topics, that is the living world, systematics of living organism and kingdom plantae. So together we are going to learn about these topics. And children, not only this, I'm also going to help you out with what are the frequently made errors by the students, so that you all can avoid that, and of course you can achieve your goal in a correct manner. Then for grade 12 students, children, in the entire course, we are going to cover the entire syllabus right from the first chapter to the last chapter, all the 15 chapters in detail. And when it comes to all the 15 chapters, when we will be dealing with this chapter, children, we will make it a point to discuss the frequently asked questions in board exams and how are you supposed to answer them to get the best marks from the examiner. And what is planned for July? Children, in July we are going to focus on two very important chapters for grade 12, that is reproduction in lower and higher animals, followed by reproduction in lower and higher plants. So these are basically the two important chapters that you all have in biology, of course, which has a good weightage in your board exams too. So listening my video, and I'll be waiting for you all in my sessions. So join Unacademy and let's crack it together.